Welcome to today's episode, where we will talk about how to use the internet to make money. In this digital age, there are many opportunities that individuals can take advantage of to generate additional income or even a major source of income. Let's discover together some effective and safe ways to achieve this. Part 1: E-commerce. Trying to sell products or services online may be one of the fastest ways to monetize. You can build your own online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy and market your products via social media and other digital channels. Part 2: Working as an online freelancer. There are many sites that allow individuals to showcase their services and skills as freelancers, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Whether you are an expert in design, writing, or digital marketing, you can work with clients from all over the world and earn money based on your skills and experience. Part 3: Content industry. If you have skills in writing content or video production, you can consider starting a blog or YouTube channel and earning income from advertising and partnerships. Of course, this path requires patience and dedication to building your audience and having engaging and valuable content. Part 4: Affiliate marketing. You can also earn money online through affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products or services and get a commission for every purchase made by the people you referred. This requires building an audience and the public's trust in your tips and recommendations. We'll all learn it together. There is no easy way to make money online, but with effort and dedication, you can achieve great success. Remember to be careful and examine opportunities carefully before investing in them. With good planning and hard work, you can build a sustainable and successful source of income online.